Let us try to understand the difference between a classical business model and the operational excellence model, right? Classical business model or traditional business model and the operational excellence model. Generally, in traditional business model, profit means price minus cost. The product is sold for 100 rupees because the price of the product is 100 and the cost of manufacturing is 80 rupees. So the profit is how much? 20 rupees. You are not giving me a clue whether you are listening or not listening, right? When I ask a question, it doesn't mean that I don't know the answer. I know the answer, but 100 minus 80 is how much? 20 only. But I want that 20 to come from your mouth before I speak out. Then only the program is live. Otherwise, it won't produce the result which is expected. Now, better quality. And traditionally, people thought that better quality means modern technology. Better quality means modern technology. Better quality means modern machinery. Better quality means highly skilled resources. You want to become an entrepreneur, then you must have modern technology. Then you must have machineries. Then you must have highly skilled resources. In short, better quality means the cost of the product will be very high. Do you all understand what is classic business model?
Yes, sir.
I think only Abdul Rahman has understood. All others?
Yes, sir.
Now, operational excellence model. What is the difference between operational excellence model and the traditional business model? And you can choose to run either the traditional model or the operational excellence model. Better quality means, yeah. Yes,
to provide the same quality with the lower cost for the customers.
Beautiful. Fantastic. That is what I am going to say. Very good observation. So better quality means better business. Now your equation is not profit equal to price minus cost. Companies who believe in operational excellence, they don't keep an eye on the profit because profit is a byproduct. They keep an eye on the quality. Better quality means better business. Am I correct? Like your professor said, already 150 of your seniors, they got trained. Now automatically the next batch is also given an opportunity. Why? Because of the learning experience. So operational excellence is better quality means better business. Better quality means, can somebody read out these 4 statements? What is better quality means? Number 1.
Less defects, less reworks, less buffer, less low cycle time.
Beautiful. What do you mean by less defects? What is less defects? Your product doesn't have any non-conformity. Am I correct?
Yes,
All the feature a customer might check in your product, they're all great. I buy a mobile phone. I check the camera, I check the screen size, I check its speed, I check the memory. There is absolutely no issues there. There are no defects. High quality means less defects, less rework. What is rework? When a defect happens, people process it again, isn't it? They work again. So the rework is also is a failure. When I am working again, say for example, when I explaining to all of you also, how many of you understand I do a lot of rework? So far, how many slides I moved? Let me count and tell you. 14 slides. My plan is 60 slides today. But how many slides we covered? Only 14. I take a lot of time. Why? Because I think some defect has happened. People have not understood. So I have to explain again and again. But doing rework is not good for any business. That will make you inefficient. Right? Producing defects is also a problem, and doing a rework is also a problem. less buffer. What is buffer? What is buffer? Buffer is nothing but inventory. You know inventory? What is inventory? The stock you maintain. The stock you maintain, right? You maintain, when you maintain more stock, what will happen? When you maintain more stock, your overhead will increase. So in operational excellence, we don't maintain heavy stock. We maintain a less buffer. And then lower cycle time. Lower cycle time means the moment an order is received, it is processed. In short, better quality means lower cost. And Abdul Rahman correctly told in the beginning. So better quality means lower cost. This is called operational excellence model. Which is better, the left side or the right side?
Right side, sir. Operational excellence model.
Now, do you see a lot of startup companies are coming up? Students from IIT, students from IIM, they start a new company. Let us take one company. What is that company? Let us take Swiggy or Zomato. What is the company we are talking? We are going to talk about Swiggy or a Zomato. And now tell me, do they have a modern technology? Come on, please. Can somebody tell what is that technology they use? Can somebody tell me? Come on, Ba. What is their platform? Is it just a mobile application? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Take any company, Ola, Uber, and many things. Is that Ola has, all sophisticated cars? Ola has invested on the sophisticated cars? No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So there absolutely to run your business in this model, you don't require a modern technology. Rather, your understanding and all these things are important. Your mobile application can make you a brand leader. If you have a modern technology, you can run a hotel in one place. But if you have a mobile application, you can run the restaurant business across the globe. Do you understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
Big difference in thinking, right? So no, don't think that only modern technology can make you an entrepreneur. Don't think that only modern machineries can make you an entrepreneur. There is no technology, no machines. For everything, there are players. I will only network them properly, right? Even I don't know, you consider all the Swiggy delivery boys. Is that all of them are, masters in delivering items or delivery management? Do you think all of them have studied a 5 years course on how to deliver the food? No.
No, sir.
But do you see them executing the work very professionally? And then, isn't it? So this is because of their maturity level and belief in operational excellence model. Now they are doing business equal to which 1,000 restaurants cannot do, which Swiggy is doing and Zomato is doing. Are you believing this? Yes or no?
True, sir.
So this is the advantage. You can scaling up a business becomes much easier. You can amplify your top line, you can amplify your bottom line to any amount if you focus on operational excellence, which is nothing but you need to be super effective in what you are doing and you need to be super efficient in what you are doing. You need to be super efficient and you need to be super effective, both, and then that is called operational excellence model. So I stop here and then like to continue after